Affiliate marketing and making money seems impossible, but don't worry guys, because in this video I'll tell you how you guys can make $100 per day with Clickbank. This method is brand new and you guys can do this method even as a complete beginner. You guys don't need any fancy equipment whatsoever. All that you guys need to do is simply follow along step by step till the very end and not skip anything, and you guys will be able to make good money with this method. This method also requires no investment whatsoever, meaning it doesn't matter how old you are, if you have money or not, you guys can get started with absolutely no money. All that you guys actually need is just your smartphone, laptop or computer and a decent Wi-Fi, and you guys are going to be set to make money. But before I move any further guys, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner, so make sure not to skip anything, and without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1. Step number 1, come on to clickbank.com. Now guys, clickbank.com is basically the leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace, and they have impressive stats with paying over $4.2 billion to their members since their starting. Now guys, what I want you to do now is simply click on sign up at the top right corner, and then that is going to take you over to their sign up page. Now over here on their sign up page, you will see a lot of fields. Now make sure to put in all your correct information, and nothing should be irrelevant or like nothing should be a mistake. So you gotta be careful while putting in all of that. And at the top we can even see we have a 4.6 out of 5 ratings based on 1700 reviews. So guys, that is very impressive, and just simply sign up, and I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2 once you've signed up successfully. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you've signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. And so over here you will be able to see all the products that Clickbank has, but firstly you have to focus on the left side on their categories. So they have categories in business, computers, e-commerce and e-marketing, education, fiction, even gaming products as well, plus green products too. And then below that you have all sorts of different categories as well, but you don't have to bother yourself with that, because I'm going to show you exactly what products you can choose to get the most result. So guys, for example, I'm going to choose this one over here. It's spirituality, new age and alternative benefits. So once I click on that, I'm able to see this dashboard in front of me. So over here on this dashboard, I have all these different products available for me, which I can buy and I can resell depending upon how much I want to make commission on. So over here we have the first product paying us $13 in commission. We have the second product paying us $20 in commission. We have the third product paying us $12 in commission. And then we even have some very high paying products as well, but don't consider products based on just their commission. You also have to take in a couple of other values as well. Now guys, below every product you will see these statistics. We have the initial conversion rate, we have the recurring rebill, we have the graph. Now guys, in graph anything above 50 is good. So basically like anything above 50 is considered to be a good product. Now below that you even have their book name, but that is not important. All that is important is the graph and also the recurring rebill. So basically you will be making $5 every single month from just this product alone. Now once you're here, what you need to do now is that simply click on promote. Now once you click on promote, you will see this in front of you. So over here you have your account name. Now from over here simply click on generate hop links, and over here you have your affiliate link. Now once you have your affiliate link, simply copy it and also take a look at this line. You will earn 65% commission for every single customer you refer to this product. Now once you have your affiliate link, a good practice is to simply go to your own affiliate link to see how it looks. Now simply paste your affiliate link in the URL section, and then you will be able to see your landing page of your own affiliate link. So like over here we can see that they have a very nice catchy landing page. So I'm gonna choose my star from over here. I'm gonna click on Leo, and once I click on Leo, they will ask me for my date of birth. So guys, all in all this looks absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna go on with this to show you how it works. Now once I do that, they'll ask me for my country, for my region and also for my city. Now I'm gonna simply put in my city, and then after that I can see that they ask me for my first name. Now I'm simply gonna put in a spam name so that I can show you everything that there is in this website. And once I do this, I can see that that is gonna take me over to their main page. Now whenever a person comes onto your affiliate link, they will have to do the very same process, and the cleaner this process is, the more commission you can expect to make. So it is always a good practice to go to your affiliate links and check them out yourself. So guys, once you have your affiliate link, you are done with step number 2 as well. And now we're gonna jump into step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to google.com and I want you to type in Microsoft Ads. And once you type in Microsoft Ads, you will be able to see these links in front of you. Simply click on the first link and then that is going to take you over to Microsoft's sign up page. Now guys, Microsoft has this very cool advertisement option through which you can advertise to thousands of people and make money. Now what you need to do over here is simply click on sign up now, and then that is going to take you over to another page. Now guys, over on this page, what you need to do is simply sign up with a brand new account, and then you are done. Now to create an account, simply click on create one, and then they will ask you about some information. Simply put in all the information that they ask you about, and I'm gonna catch you guys once you've done this whole process. So once you've done this whole process, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here, they are gonna ask you to sign up completely by putting in everything relevant to your account. So from over here, simply put in your legal business name, your first name. Now I'm gonna put in my first name over here. Now after that, I'm gonna put in my phone number, and once you've done all of that, simply click on create account once you've done all of this. So I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second once I've done this myself. Now once you've done that, simply click on create a new campaign, and then after that, simply wait for it to load up. Now guys, their website might be a bit slow because they have a lot of traffic on their platform all the time. Now guys, now it's gonna ask you for a couple more questions. Now from here guys, you have to be careful with how you go about this, because now is where the process of making the money begins. So depending upon what product you have, so like for example, my product was over here. I think it was this one. So like this is about soul manifestation. So I'm gonna type in soul manifestation, and after that I'm gonna type in exclusive deal. Now once I type in this, I can simply move on, and from over here I can choose the languages. I want this to be specifically in English, so I'm gonna leave it like it is. And then over here, simply put in ad group name is basically for your own personal use, so I'm gonna type in spiritual product promotion. Now once I do this, after that I can simply like put in all the keywords. Now for the keywords, you have to be a bit specific to like target the exact audience that you want. So over here in this product, the keywords are soul manifestation. It's not letting me copy, but if it does that, simply come over here and type in yourself soul manifestation. And also I think another keyword that would be very appropriate over here is a manifest. And other than that, another keyword could be soul, and then another one could be spiritual product. Now guys, you have to be like a bit thorough with how you put your keywords. Now once you do that, you can simply put your budget in. Now guys, you have to have some sort of money before doing this process, because ultimately this product is gonna give you a lot of money in return. So you can't expect to like go cheap and like have this method basically be zero investment. But let me assure you, once you do this, any amount of money that you put into this is gonna be back in your wallet within the first day of you doing this. So for example, I'm gonna put in a 1.0 PHP per click. Now once I've done this, simply click on save, and if it gives you any errors, just simply check for what the errors are. So like mine is saying, please create at least one ad for this ad group. So like over here, now you can create the ad itself. So over here, I'm gonna simply like put in a responsive search ad. I'm gonna put in the final URL to be the URL of this particular product, and then once I put this in here, I'm gonna put in soul manifestation. And once I put this in, after that I can simply scroll down and I can put in all the rest of these descriptions and click on save basically. Now guys, once you do all of this, you can simply click on next and your ad will go live. And once your ad goes live, you can expect to make a lot of sales in your dashboard. And to track your sales, you can simply go to your dashboard to like see everything about your particular product. Now guys, this was basically the whole strategy. I hope this video helped you out, because I went really in detail into everything. So make sure to let me know in the comments down below if you face any problems, any confusions at all, and I'll be sure to address them all as well. So guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something from this video. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.